Guys, I just wanted to share with you my project I'm working on right now. So it will be a bag, like a regular bag, I don't know, like handbag, like with lots of different textures. So I'm using millions of different fibers in this project. I just wanted to show you how much stuff I got. So it's kind of fun. So I used that it's kind of Corriedale mix on the base and put like very fine merino from Italy. I mean, merino comes from New Zealand, we know, but they died in DHG company in Italy. I got it from there. So it was the base of the bag. Now let's just look closely what I got here. So this is a very fine silk, Magellan silk from Tajikistan, which I dye myself. And under that silk I used, this is the pieces of silk. This is fine, and this is like very fine, like a gaze, like a gauze. Okay, so I used naps, some wool naps, which I got also from Italy and dyed myself. And then all kind of raw fleece. This is also merino fleece. This is long Leicester fleece. Little bit of pieces of silk scarves. Then like pieces of pre-felt. What else can be found? Then dyed blue merino wool. This is also merino from Australia, which I got like pretty much from the farm. What else is interesting? This is viscose. This is a glossy pieces of viscose, which, like, you know, fiber that come from trees. I think I got it from Russia. What else is here? It's like a treasure box. Okay. This is silk. Like, this is like silk caps or hanks, which I actually dyed myself. And so, believe it or not, and a little bit of a tansel. Tansel is a very interesting fiber from eucalyptus. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet it and felt it, and then at the end I will show you the picture of that bag. Okay. Hey, and here's my beautiful bag. Let's check what happened with all these fibers and fabrics I'd used. So this is naps, wool naps, attached pretty well. I put little fine silk on top of it. So this is the same silk I put here, and it gave a little bit of texture and color, which is nice. So a little bit heavier silk turned into this kind of, I don't know, I like the texture of this crinkle. And pieces of pre-felt attached pretty well. No, maybe a couple didn't work out. I threw them away. And this is another silk, and with actually merino and viscose on top. And this was raw merino fleece, and I put a little bit of viscose on top too. So what else is on that side? I think it's locks. This black locks turned into little pieces, right? It's kind of cute. And this is another side of the bag. Pretty much same fabric, same fibers, and I just laid it out a little bit different, but actually everything worked out pretty interesting. How interesting! So you can combine all the different fabrics and fibers in one piece and make it very artistic. You like it? I hope you do. It will be on my Etsy shop, by the way. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.